The next problem is, if an equal to 2 into an minus 1 minus a of n minus 2 for n greater than or equal to 2, find an equal to 3n is a solution or not. That means this is a recurrence relation. For this recurrence relation, 3n is a solution or not, we need to find out. So in this one, an is expressed in terms of n minus 1 and n minus 2. So this is the recurrence relation. For this, an equal to 3n is a solution or not, we need to find out. And some initial values are given, that is a0 equal to 0, a1 equal to 3 and a2 equal to 6. And now we are going to substitute this 3n in the given recurrence relation. So that is, recurrence relation is 2 into a of n minus 1 minus a of n minus 2. I need to substitute 3n here. So when an is 3n, a of n minus 1 is 3 into n minus 1. In place of n, just we need to keep n minus 1. A of n minus 2 is 3 into, in place of n, we need to keep n minus 2. So it is n minus 2. So now the equation becomes 2 into a n minus 1. So we are checking that whether 3n is a solution or not. A of n minus 1 is substituted with 3 into n minus 1. So 3 into n minus 1 minus a of n minus 2 is, an minus 2 is 3 into n minus 2. So now if you calculate this one, what we are going to get is 6n minus 6. Here we are multiplying with minus 3. So minus 3 into n, it is minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 2, it is plus 6. So that 6 and 6 will be cancelled. 6n minus 3n, it is 3n. So that the given thing, that is an equal to 3n is a solution or not, we have asked. Now we can say that 3n is a solution for the given recurrence relation. For the same problem, we need to check that suppose an equal to 2 power n is a solution or not, we need to find out. And the initial values are a0 equal to 1 and a1 equal to 2 and a2 equal to 4. Similarly, we need to find the same thing. So 2n is a solution or not, we need to find out. So the equation is, recurrence relation is 2 into an minus 1 minus a of an minus 2. So when an is 2 power n, an minus 1 is 2 power n minus 1 and an minus 2 is 2 power n minus 2. The same thing we need to substitute here. So that 2 into 2 power n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 2. So this we can write it as 2 power n minus 2 power n minus 2. Let us substitute n equal to 2. So what will happen? A of 2 equal to 2 power 2 minus 2 power 2 minus 2. So that 2 power 2 is 4 minus 2 power 2 minus 2 is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So but in the given problem, a of 2 is what? It is not equal to 4. So in the given problem, a2 equal to 4, but we got here 3 which is not equal to 4. Then we can say that 2 power n is not a solution for the given recurrence relation. The next problem is an equal to 8 into an minus 1 minus 16 into an minus 2, and we need to check that suppose an equal to 2 power n is a solution or not. So let us substitute 8 into, in place of an minus 1, we need to substitute 2 power n minus 1 minus 16 into 2 power n minus 2. So we can rewrite it as 8 can be written as 2 power 3 into 2 power n minus 1 minus 16 can be written as 2 power 4 into 2 power n minus 2. So we can write it as, when we simplify this one, so 2 power 3 plus n minus 1 minus 2 power 4 plus n minus 2. That is 2 power n plus 2 minus 2 power n plus 2. 2 power n plus 2 minus 2 power n plus 2. So it is 0. So it is not equivalent to 2 power n. So that then we can say that n equal to 2 power n is not a solution for the given recurrence relation. Next problem is an equal to 8 into an minus 1 minus 16 into an minus 2. For this recurrence relation, we need to find that n into 4n is a solution or not, we need to find out. So to get that 8 into, in place of an minus 1, we need to write n minus 1 into 4 power n minus 1. In place of n, we are substituting n minus 1. Minus 16 into, wherever n is there, we just need to keep n minus 2. So it is n minus 2 into 4 power n minus 2. Now we will expand it as 8 into n minus 1 into 4 power n minus 1. So n into 4 power n minus 1 minus 4 power n minus 1 minus 16 into n minus 2 into this term. So n into 4 power n minus 2 minus 2 into 4 power n minus 2. Again we will further expand by multiplying with 8. So 8 n into 4 power n minus 1 minus 8 into 4 power n minus 1 minus 16 into n into 4 power n minus 2 minus 16 into minus, so it is plus 16 into 2 into 4 power n minus 2. 8 into n into 4 power n, that is 4 power n minus 1. So 4 power minus 1 is, I am writing as dividing with 4. Minus 8 into 4 power n dividing with 4 minus 16 into n into 4 power n divided by 4 power 2. I am writing as 4 into 4 here. 4 power 2 is nothing but 16. So I can write it as here. So 16 into 2 into 4 power n divided by 4 square. 4 square we can write it as 4 into 4. So 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 ones, 4 twos, and this is 16 and 16 will be cancelled, and 16 and 16 will be cancelled. So now we got 2 into n into 4 power n. So 2n 4 power n minus 2 into 4 power n minus n into 4 power n plus 2 into 4 power n. Plus 2 into 4 power n cancel, and we got 2n 4 power n minus n 4 power n. So we will get only n 4 power n. So that we got an equal to 4 power n. So that we can say that n 4 power n is a solution for the given recurrence relations. In the next example, we will see how to find the solution for the given recurrence relation. The given recurrence relation is an equal to minus an minus 1 and a naught equal to 5. Similarly, in the previous examples, we have used substitution method. Here also we will use the substitution method. So a1 equal to minus of a. In place of n, we are going to place 1. 1 minus 1, so that minus a naught. So a naught value is 5, so it is minus 5. And a2 equal to minus a2 minus 1. So it is minus a, 2 minus 1 is 1. So that minus of minus 5, so it is 5. And a3 equal to minus a3 minus 1, that is equal to minus a 3 minus 1 is A2. A2 is 5. So it is minus 5. So by seeing this one, what you can understand, so it is minus 5 and here it is 5 and here it is minus 5. So I can write it as minus 1 whole power 1 into 5. So here if you observe, A1 is equal to here minus 1 power 1. So A2. So I can write minus 1 power 2 into 5. So minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. So 1 into 5 is 5. So is equal to here minus 5. Again minus 5 I can write it as minus whole power 3 into 5. So that means when power is odd we are getting minus sign. When power is even we are getting plus sign. Generalized solution for the given recurrence relation is an equal to minus 1 whole power n into 5 where a not equal to 5. So this is the solution for the given recurrence relation. The next problem is an equal to an minus 1 plus 3 and a not equal to 0. Now we will substitute 1 in place of n. So a1 equal to a1 minus 1 plus 3, that is a0 plus 3. So that we got 0 plus 3, it is 3. And a2 equal to an minus 1. So here an minus 1 means a1 plus 3. So here a1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. And similarly a3 equal to a2 plus 3. So a2 is 6 plus 3, it is 9. By seeing this one we can write it as it is 3 into 1, 6 we can write it as 3 into 2, we can write 9 as 3 into 3. Similarly we can write an equal to 3 into n where a not equal to 0. So this is the solution for the given recurrence relation.